or the turmeric you apply on your forehead, the red powder which you apply, it is a processed turmeric. Your third eye is decalcified through this turmeric. Please understand. Your third eye is just like other two eyes. It has cords and rods. I don't know how many of you are doctors. If you are doctors, you will understand what I am saying. Just like these eyes, the third eye physically has cords, CHORD, rods, ROD. Unfortunately, the fluoride toxifies the third eye. Fluoride gets into your system in multiple level. Fluoridation of the humanity is the worst conspiracy going on all over the world to keep you dull. Without fluoride, you will become various. Understand? Fluoride is official neurotoxin, but mixed in your food, in your toothpaste, in your drinking water. Not only drinking fluoride is dangerous, even taking bath in the fluoridated water is dangerous. Understand? Fluoride has a capacity to penetrate your skin and calcify your third eye. Enough of scientific researches are available in the internet. Very well known, very standard research works. 40% of the fluoride can penetrate into your body just by taking bath in the fluoridated water. For example, if 1 ml fluoride is in your bathing water, 40% of it can get in just by taking bath. You don't even have to drink. This processed turmeric which you are applying, red color, it's a turmeric. Turmeric is the best antidote for fluoride. That is why rubbing the turmeric, especially in the night time, if you rub and leave it. See, especially in India, men don't want to wear this. It looks like a bindi and they have their own culture. I don't know. So if you don't want to wear in the daytime, it's okay. In the night time, rub it on the third eye and fall asleep. The fluoride toxification and calcification happened due to the fluoride. You will be detoxified and decalcification will happen. And if you are from a city where your bathing water is fluoridated, I'll strongly recommend. We will also make it available here, our Vaidya Sarovar. See, this Shivalinga is made of medicines. You take bath in this water. The water flows through that Shivalinga. We actually pump water on the Shivalinga. And when that water comes out, take bath. At least once in 2-3 days. In the breaks, noon breaks, I'll ask them to switch on. If you take bath in that water, the detoxification happens throughout the skin. It is built specially for detoxification. This Shivalinga in Vaidya Sarovar is built for detoxification. You can apply turmeric and haritaki powder on your skin. Haritaki powder and turmeric both have the capacity to penetrate your skin and detoxify your body. So everything we are doing here, whether morning yoga or your food, everything is aiming at breaking your obsessive, compulsive thought currents and behavior patterns and detoxifying you.